Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to reset Skype password. Open your web browser. Copy and paste the link you can find in the description. Open the web page. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the window. Choose Use Skype Online from the list. Enter your email address and click on Next. Click on Forgot Password. You will be asked how you want to get a code. Check your email address and click on Get Code. Go to your email inbox. Open the letter from Microsoft account. Select and copy the code inside of the letter. Go back to Skype page. Paste the code. Click on Next. Create a new password. Repeat the new password. Click on Next. Your password is changed. You can click on Sign In and log into your Skype account with the new password. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!